a well-tolerated ingredient and can be used every day, morning and night, by most people. We've already discussed its benefits at length in a separate video. Very briefly, here they are again. Point 1. Niacinamide acts like an antioxidant and protects the skin against free radical damage. Point 2. It helps improve the skin's barrier function, making the skin more resilient to external stressors. Point 3. It helps fight hyperpigmentation. 4. It helps protect against skin aging, including fine lines and wrinkles, yellowness, and decreasing skin elasticity. 5. There's some evidence that it can also help regulate sebum production. We've recently launched Creme B3-B5E, which is formulated with 4% niacinamide to make it easy for anyone to be able to incorporate this wonderful ingredient into their skincare routine. We've also launched the serum vitamin C, niacinamide alpha-arbutin, which, as the name suggests, also contains niacinamide, again at a 4% concentration. You might ask why we haven't used a higher percentage of niacinamide. This is because higher isn't always better. Almost all clinical studies and research that have been done using niacinamide have used the ingredient at a concentration of less than 5% and still found it to be highly effective. Niacinamide is readily absorbed by the skin, and higher concentrations can actually irritate the skin of a lot of people, making 4% a sweet spot that is both well tolerated and effective. As is clear from the benefits of niacinamide above, niacinamide is an ingredient that can benefit almost anyone. Serum vitamin C, niacinamide, and alpha-arbutin is on the slightly more expensive side and is geared towards people who suffer from hyperpigmentation or post-acne marks, or are looking to brighten their skin and even out their skin tone. We've combined 5 pigmentation-fighting ingredients in it, since research has shown that pigmentation is a complex phenomenon, and research has also shown that ingredients that fight pigmentation tend to work a lot better when used together than when used alone. Creme B3-B5E, however, can be used by just about anyone looking to incorporate niacinamide into your skincare routine. Here are some easy skincare routine recommendations around how you can incorporate serum vitamin C, niacinamide alpha-arbutin, and Creme B3-B5E into your skincare routine that can serve as a good starting point for most people with different skin concerns. As always, if you still have questions, feel free to message us on our WhatsApp number. If you have mild to moderate acne, incorporating salicylic acid into your skincare routine helps unclog pores, fights acne-causing bacteria, and helps keep pimples from forming, while niacinamide helps reduce redness and irritation and also helps with post-acne marks. Here's an easy routine you can follow if your skin is similar to this. Feel free to pause the video and take screenshots as the routine appears on the screen. In the morning, start off with washing your face with a hydrating, gentle daily cleanser. Moisturize on damp skin with Creme B3-B5E, followed by the ultimate sunscreen. At night, start off with a salicylic acid cleanser if your skin is on the drier side and you don't have acne but have uneven skin tone and texture. You can use the resurfacing face wash at night instead. With either one of these, start by using them 3 times a week and slowly build up to as much as your skin can tolerate. On days that you don't use these, use the hydrating gentle daily cleanser and Creme B3-B5E. Fungal acne is trickier since a lot of otherwise harmless ingredients in skincare can cause flare-ups in skin prone to fungal acne. Creme B3-B5E is fungal acne safe, so here's a skincare routine that can be leveraged both by people with moderate to severe acne and those with fungal acne. In the morning, start off by washing your face with hydrating gentle daily cleanser, followed by Creme B3-B5E on damp skin, and then the ultimate sunscreen. At night, start off by washing your face with hydrating gentle daily cleanser, moisturize with Creme B3-B5E, followed by salicylic acid emulsion. Start by using the salicylic acid emulsion 3 times a week and slowly build up to as much as your skin can tolerate. Use only 2 to 3 drops on your entire face. Avoid the eye area. Continue use after the acne has subsided. For a routine that fights pigmentation and the signs of skin aging, in the morning, start by washing with the hydrating gentle daily cleanser, followed by the serum vitamin C, niacinamide alpha-arbutin, then moisturize with the carbamide intensive hydration cream, and don't forget to use the ultimate sunscreen in the end. As for the night, wash your face with a resurfacing face wash. Again, start by using this 3 times a week and slowly build up to as much as your skin can tolerate. On days that you don't use this, you can use the Hydrating Gentle Daily Cleanser. For moisturizing, use Creme B3-B5E on damp skin and then use the Retin Oil Serum. Start by using 0.2% 3 times a week and slowly build up the frequency of use and concentration. Rosacea and atopic dermatitis result in heightened skin sensitivity. Before incorporating any product into your skincare routine, if you have any of these conditions, be sure to do a patch test. Some people with rosacea are able to tolerate our salicylic acid cleanser and retinoid serums. You can patch test these products to see whether they work well for you. Some actives, including niacinamide, are also beneficial for rosacea and dermatitis. You might not be able to tolerate using them daily, but you can still benefit from using them only a few times a week. Given heightened skin sensitivity for these conditions though, it's difficult to recommend a skincare routine that will work well across the board. If you'd like help, feel free to drop us a message on WhatsApp and we'll be more than happy to help you out. While some people might begin to notice the benefits of niacinamide in just 2 weeks, for most they will take 4 weeks or more. Just like it takes time for skin damage to accumulate, it also takes time for your skin to heal from accumulated damage. As always, remember that while you don't need a lot of products in your skincare routine to see results, every product that you use matters, including what you wash your face with, and that SPF is essential for everyone looking to maintain fabulous skin long term. I hope this video covered everything you want to know about niacinamide. If you need help with your skin or have any other questions, feel free to reach out for a free skincare consultation or just drop us a message on WhatsApp. See you again in the next video.